Makati Staycation na starts at 2,000 plus pesos a night lang. How to book? Alamin sa video na to. Say hello to KL Service Residences na located sa Legazpi Village, Makati. Isang service residences na budget-friendly pero ang ganda ng location. May malaking park ito across kung saan pwedeng mag-jogging, walking at maglaro ang buong family. Less than 10 minutes away walk lang ito from Greenbelt Mall. Marami ring restaurants, cafes at convenience stores around the area. Kung gusto ninyong mag-swimming, may magandang swimming pool sila sa 7th floor. Sa mga health buffs, may fitness center at sauna rin sila. Itong one-bedroom suite nila, around 5,000 plus pesos a night lang. Very spacious ang bedroom at marami itong storage space. May fully equipped kitchen, washing machine at dryer rin. Siyempre, hot and cold shower plus 2 toilets and bidet. Ang maganda dito, perfect talaga for families kasi may dining area, malaking living room, at view of the Legazpi Village neighborhood. Before I forget, pwede rin may kasamang breakfast sa Nonos ang stay dito. Kaya kung may craving kayo for a budget-friendly pero maganda at kumpletong staycation sa Makati, isatisfy nyo na yan by booking a staycation sa KL Service Residences on Klook. Make sure to use our code para maka-discount kayo. Maraming salamat sa panonood mga ka-eats. Until next time, bye-bye!